Hi guys! Today we're exploring an exciting topic that's sure to make your Natwest app experience even better. But before diving into enabling Face ID on the Natwest app, you need to begin by confirming that your device is an iPhone X or a later model, since we all know that Face ID is designed for these Apple devices. And additionally, make sure you've already configured Face ID on your device for seamless integration. Now, once you're all done with that, you can now open the Natwest app and log in with your credentials. Now, once you're logged in, locate the profile icon situated at the top right corner of the app's home screen and give it a tap. Now, inside the profile section, navigate to the settings, and within the settings, search for the Face ID option and toggle it on to enable this feature. Now, following this, the app may request you to log out, so go ahead and log out and then log back in using your passcode. So this added security step finalizes the Face ID setup. Okay, now with the Face ID activated, you'll experience a more convenient and secure way to access your Natwest app. And in case you encounter any difficulties or have questions, then you may reach out to Natwest support for prompt assistance. And that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.